Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Fork and Flavor. I'm your host, Zhara, and today we are diving into the world of baking with a classic favorite, chocolate chip cookies. Get ready to indulge your senses with the perfect balance of chewiness and chocolatey goodness. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Before we begin, make sure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2 and 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, 2 cups chocolate chips, semi-sweet or your favorite type. Step 2. Creaming the butter and sugars. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until it's light and fluffy. This step is essential for that perfect chewy texture we are aiming for. It usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes with an electric mixer. Step 3. Adding vanilla and eggs. Next, add in the vanilla extract. It adds a delightful aroma and flavor to our cookies. Then, one at a time, gently mix in the eggs until they're fully incorporated. Step 4. Dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, mixing just until combined. Be careful not to overmix. We want our cookies to be tender, not tough. Step 5. Adding chocolate goodness. Now comes the best part, the chocolate chips. Gently fold in those irresistible chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Step 6. Chilling the dough. To achieve that perfect chewy texture and enhanced flavor, cover the dough and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, or even overnight if you can't wait. Chilling the dough helps the flavors meld and prevents the cookies from spreading too much during baking. Step 7. Baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, line your baking sheets with parchment paper. Now, using a cookie scoop or a spoon, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the baking sheets, leaving enough space between them for spreading. Bake the cookies for about 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown but the centers are still soft. Remember, they will continue to bake a bit as they cool on the baking sheet. Step 8. Cooling and enjoying. Once out of the oven, let the cookies cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, the most delicious, perfectly chewy chocolate chip cookies. Thank you for joining me on this delightful baking adventure today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Fork and Flavor for more mouth-watering recipes, and leave a comment below sharing your cookie baking experiences. Until next time, happy baking!